Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Be Optimistic. Today I am here to let you guys know how to attempt MCQs in IELTS reading. In my previous video I have explained how to attempt true, false and not given in IELTS reading. If you haven't watched that video then you can get the link in description box. And if you face any kind of difficulty regarding IELTS reading questions then you can ask me in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, give thumbs up to my videos and share with your friends as well. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting a precious time right now. So guys, today I'll solve MCQs of the reading with title Why Pagodas Don't Fall Down. Pagodas means temples, especially Buddhist temple, right? So as usual, let's move towards the questions. So this reading consists of 3 MCQs. So some MCQs comes up with 3 options while others with 4 options. But don't worry there's no need to be panic after having look on MCQs because these are not that much difficult as you think so. So most of the time options that are given in our MCQs are in this way. One option will be not given, right? Second option would be incomplete. And third option would be contradicting, right? Contradicting means opposite, right? So in case of MCQs, one option would be not given, means information main keyword regarding that option would be missed over there. That means not given. And second would be main information would be missed over there. It means our second or another option would be incomplete, and third option would be opposite. If it is written true over here, then in a paragraph it would be false. So it means 3 options will be reduced and we will left with only one and only true statement, right? So in case of MCQs, you guys can do one thing: either you can prove 3 options wrong or prove one option true, exactly true. So in this way you guys won't face any difficulty while solving the MCQs. So let's read the questions from first one. Firstly, we will read the instructions as well. Choose the correct letters A, B, C or D. Write the correct letter in the boxes 11 to 13 on your answer sheet. So our first question is, in a Japanese pagoda, the Shin Bashira. Here we got our keyword, that is main keyword is Shin Bashira, right? And Japanese pagoda. In Japanese pagoda means in Japanese temple Shin Bashira. What is it? Option. We also have to read all the option after reading the question immediately, right? So our first option is bears the full weight of building. It means bears means carry, means जो शीन बाशीरा वो फुल वेट है जी बिल्डिंग का उन्होंने कैरी करता, राइट? सैकेंड बेंड्स अंडर प्रेशर लाइक अ ट्री, प्रेशर के करके बेंड हो चुका है, झुक चुका है लाइक अ ट्री, राइट? एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन कनैक्ट द फ्लोर्स विद फाउंडेशन, मीन जो शीन बाशीरा है कनैक्ट करता फ्लोर्स ਨੂੰ फाउंडेशन ਉਹਦੀ ਨੀਂਹ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਐਂਡ ਫੋਰਥ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ ਸਟॉप्स द फ्लोर्स मूविंग टू फार, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫਲੋਰ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ मूव ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾਣ ਤੋਂ ਰੋਕਦਾ, ਰਾਈਟ? And nextly we will read the question 12 as well. So if we move forward, then with the help of these keywords we will come to know that Shujo Ashida, it is a name of person. Our keyword again, performs experiment. What did it perform? Experiment. Our sub keyword, in order to इस person ने experiments कादे लिए कीते, right? ऑप्शन ए इंप्रूव स्काई स्क्रैपर डिज़ाइन, स्काई स्क्रैपर मीनस टॉल बिल्डिंग, वो डिज़ाइन में इंप्रूव करने लिए. सैकेंड ऑप्शन बी एबल टू बिल्ड न्यू पगोडास सो दैट कि वो ये एबल हो सके कि नवे पगोडास बना सके. थर्ड ऑप्शन लर्न अबाउट डायनामिक्स ऑफ पगोडास, कि उन्होंने डायनामिक्स उन्होंने किदा होंगे पगोडास के बारे जान सके. और लास्ट ऑप्शन इज़ अंडरस्टैंड द एंशियंट मीनस पुराना, understand ancient mathematics, right? And our last MCQ, the stories means जो दियाँ मंजिला ने of a Japanese pagoda are dash. Option A, linked only by wood ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ link ਹੋਈਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ, right? And secondly, fastened only to the central pillar. Fastened means attach, कि only just ਉਹ central pillar ਦੇ ਨਾਲ attach ਨੇ, right? And third option, fitted ਲੂਜ਼ਲੀ ਔਨ ਟੋਪ ਆਫ ਈਚ ਅਦਰ, ਮਤਲਬ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਅਟੈਚ ਨੇ ਲੂਜ਼ਲੀ, ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਸਟ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਪਰ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਐਂਡ ਲਾਸਟ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਜੁਆਇੰਟ ਬਾਈ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਵੇਟਸ, ਮੀਨਸ ਕਿਸੇ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਵੇਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਭਾਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਸੋ till now we have read all the questions as well as options, so let's move towards our paragraph. Must keep these keywords in your mind: Shin Bashira, right? Japanese pagoda, Shujo Ashida, experiment, stories of Japanese pagoda, right? So these questions were last question of the first paragraph, so it is so we will try to locate the keywords in second page, right? As you guys can see, we have located the word Shin Bashira, right? Here it is. And Shujo Ashida, that was our second keyword, right? And pagodas, Japan, and Shin Bashira is also given here. We will locate all the places where we see this word, and we have to read till up to that last keyword related to Shin Bashira, right? We have to read up to last. So we will start reading from the first. What this doesn't totally explain the great reliance of Japanese pagodas is the answer that, like a tall pine tree, the Japanese pagoda, with its massive trunk-like central pillar known as Shin Bashira, means Shin Bashira was like a massive trunk, central pillar known as Shin Bashira. In question, it was written like it bends like a tree. But it is not mentioned over here. Instead of this, it is mentioned that Japanese pagodas are like tall pine tree, right? It means the information, our information is not related to this. It means incomplete. We can say simply flexes and sways during a typhoon or earthquake. Question mark. Ki does it damage during the typhoon or earthquake? For centuries, many throw so. But the answer is so simple, because startling means surprising thing is that Shin Bashira actually carries no load at all, means our first option also get wrong over here, means we bears full weight of building, not right in second option. And now we are left with two options only. As I told you, either you have to prove three options wrong or one option correct, right? So we will try to locate other two options now. In fact, some pagoda designs, it doesn't even rest on ground, but is suspended from top of pagoda, hanging loosely down through middle of building. The weight of building is supported entirely by 12 outer and 4 inner columns, right? So it is mentioned that in some pagodas design, Shin Bashira don't even rest on ground, means rest ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, means ground ਤੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, suspended from top of pagoda, hanging loosely hang ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਟੰਗਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ through the middle of the building. Weight of building is supported entirely, ਜਿਹੜਾ building ਦਾ weight ਆ ਉਹ support ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ 12 outer and 4 inner columns ਵਾਲਾ, right? And next, what is the role of Shin Bashira? The central pillar, question mark, means not sure about here, right? So nextly, the best way to understand the Shin Bashira's role is to watch the video made by Shujo Ashida. So next we will read from here, because again word Shin Bashira is mentioned over here. The Shin Bashira running up through a hole in center of building constrained individual stories from moving too far, right? Constrained means limited, means रोकना किसी चीज़ ਨੂੰ, right? Running through a hole, center of the building, constrained individual stories ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ move ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਰੋਕਦਾ, from moving too far. So now we got our correct answer, that is option D, stops floors moving too far, right? This option was not given. These were false. So we got our correct answer, that is option D. So now we will move toward our next question, right? We will again revise the options. Improve skyscraper design, be able to build new pagoda and learn about dynamics of pagoda and understand ancient mathematics. As we saw the word Shujo Ashida over here, Shujo Ashida, a structural engineer at Kaito Institute of Technology, Mr. Ashida, known to his students as Professor Pagoda, because of his passion to understand pagoda. His passion to understand pagoda has built a series of models and tested them on a shake table in his laboratory, right? ਲਾਈਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਪਗੋਡਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਸੀ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਸੀਗਾ ਪਗੋਡਾਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਨਾ। ਹੈਜ਼ ਬਿਲਟ ਉਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਆਫ ਮਾਡਲਸ ਬਣਾਏ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟੈਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਔਨ ਅ shake table in his laboratory. In short, Shin Bashira was acting like an enormous stationary pendulum. The ancient craftsman apparently clearly without the assistance of very advanced mathematics. Here you can see that in our option it is given that Shin Bashira performed experiments in order to understand about ancient mathematics, but here it is written that very advanced mathematics. It is not related to our statement. Just don't mark your answer after locating the word mathematics only, because here it is written that जो ancient craftsmen, ancient word is used here for craftsman, not for the mathematics, right? Ancient craftsmen ने clearly without ਉਹਦੀ very advanced mathematics ਦੀ help ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ seem to grasp the principle that were ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ easily ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਸੀ, ਉਹ grasp ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਸੀ। More than 1,000 years later applied in the construction of Japan's first skyscraper, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ 1000 ਈਅਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਾਪਾਨ ਦੇ ਫਸਟ ਸਕਾਈਸਕ੍ਰੈਪਰ ਦੀ ਕੰਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਮੀਨਸ ਫਸਟ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਲਾਈਕ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕ ਵਾਲੀ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਟੂ ਇਟ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ ਦ ਐਂਸ਼ੀਅੰਟ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ, ਰਾਈਟ? And till now there is no any information regarding be able to build new pagoda, improve skyscraper design, and our answer would be learn about dynamics. Here it is mentioned that his students Mr. Ashida known to his student as Professor Pagoda because of his passion to understand pagoda, right? His passion. And after that there is no any information regarding it. And if you want, we can also study it further. Here you can see what those early craftsmen had found by the trial and error was that under pressure a pagoda's loose stacks floor could be made to slither to and fro independent of one another. Viewed from the slide, pagoda seemed to be doing a snake dance with each consecutive floor moving in the opposite direction to its neighbors above and below. And after that there is no any information regarding Shujo Ashida. It is ended up to this only, right? So here in this question we proved our one option exactly correct, so there is no need to prove these questions wrong. And besides this, these options are not even given in our paragraph, right? Nowhere it is mentioned that regarding the skyscraper designs improvement or ability to build new pagoda. So our answer would be C. And now we are left with our last question. The stories of Japanese pagoda are linked by wood, fastened to the central pillar, only to the central pillar, fitted loosely on top of each other and joined by special weights. So let's move towards our paragraph. We will start reading from here. Another strange feature of Japanese pagoda is that because of the building tapers with each successive floor plan being smaller than one below, right? None of the vertical pillar that carry weight of the building is connected to its corresponding pillar above. कोई भी pillar ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੋਰਸਪੋਂਡਿੰਗ ਪਿਲਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਨੈਕਟਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਪਿਲਰ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। ਇਨ ਆਰ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨਡ ਦੈਟ Japanese stories of pagoda were connected only to the central pillar. Here is information regarding central pillar is not given, and it is clearly mentioned that it is not connected, none of the vertical pillar. Means this information is incomplete as well as false. incomplete because there is no any information regarding central pillar and other, and it is not, and it is clearly mentioned that none of the pillar was attached to the corresponding pillar, right? So now we are left with the three option. So let's see. In other words, a 5-story pagoda contain not even one pillar that travels right up through the building to carry the structural loads from top to bottom. Means there was no any pillar that carry the load from top to bottom, right? And more surprising is the fact that more surprising fact ਕੀ ਸੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ the individual stories, individual ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੱਕ ਉਹਦੀ story ਸੀ Japanese pagoda ਦੀ, ਅਨਲਾਈਕ ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹਦੇ ਓਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਲੀ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਉਲਟ ਲਾਈਕ देयर ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਪਾਰਟਸ ਐਲਜ਼ਵੇਅਰ, ਹੋਰ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ 'ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਵੇਂ ਦੇ ਪਗੋਡਾਸ ਦੀ ਸਟੋਰੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਓਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਲੀ ਆਰ ਨਾਟ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਕਨੈਕਟਡ ਟੂ ਈਚ ਅਦਰ, ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਆਪਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, ਨਾਟ ਕਨੈਕਟਡ, they are simply stacked on one on top of another like a pile of heads. means ਜੋ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਇੰਡੀਵਿਜੂਅਲ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਸੀ ਪਗੋਡਾਸ ਦੀਆਂ, ਸਿੰਪਲੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਪਾਈਲ ਆਫ ਹੈਡ ਮੀਨਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਹੈਡਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਟੈਕ ਮੀਨਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਫॉर एग्जाम्पल ਵੀ ਕੀਪ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਨੋਟਬੁੱਕਸ ਵਨ ਔਨ ਟੋਪ ਆਫ ਅਦਰ, ਮੀਨਸ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ, ਜਸਟ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਇੰਟਰਸਟਿੰਗਲੀ ਸੱਚ ਅ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਵੁੱਡ ਨਾਟ ਬੀ ਪਰਮਿਟਡ ਇਨ ਅੰਡਰ ਦ ਕਰੰਟ ਜੈਪਨੀਜ਼ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਰੈਗੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ। ਮੀਨਸ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਗੋਡਾਸ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਨੂੰ ਪਰਮਿਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਅਲਾਓ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਸੋ we got our answer, they are stacked under one on top of another, means fitted loosely on top of each other. As I told you that stack means just keep on one another, as they have also cleared it with the help of example. So our answer would be C over here. So we got our answers D, C, C, right? So in this way you guys can easily get the answers of your MCQs, and so let's match the answers as well. So guys, you can see our answers are exactly correct. 11D, 12C, 13 again C. So in this way you guys can also attempt the MCQs. So try to attempt few MCQs after watching this video continuously for 2-3 days. You will definitely become capable to attempt MCQs and get accurate answers. And if you still face any difficulty in finding the answers, then you can let me know in the comment box. So that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.